The privilege against self-incrimination. Now, how does it work for a criminal defendant? The privilege against self-incrimination makes it so that a criminal defendant does not have to testify against themselves. This means that they are not required to go ahead and take the stand and testify about the facts of their case if it may implicate them or make them look worse in the court proceedings. They are not obligated to go forth and make statements on the stand dictating exactly what happened that night or that day or at the time of the event that occurred. How does it work for a witness? Now, witnesses may decline to testify or decline to respond to a certain question if they feel that it could implicate them in the crime that is being held on trial. This means that they can go and they can testify as a witness to what they experienced, but if they are asked a direct question that may implicate them in not even the crime that the defendant is being tried for, but maybe another crime, they are not required to answer the question and potentially incriminate themselves. Could a person still elect to testify at their own trial? They could, and it does happen. They may choose to testify at their own trial to try and clear their name, testify to the facts of the case and what may have occurred, and give some background about what happened to try and defend themselves. Now, if they choose to do so, they can be cross-examined by the prosecution, who will then obviously try to paint their side of the picture and try to incriminate the person or the defendant who's being held on trial. But this is an option that a person does have if they were to go through court proceedings.